ESA's latest automated transfer vehicle is ready for launch to the International Space Station. Having traveled from Bremen in Germany, the space freighter known as Albert Einstein is currently sitting on top of an Ariane 5 launcher in French Guiana. As with its three predecessors, Albert Einstein's main job is to ferry vital supplies to the station. Filled to capacity, it'll be the heaviest ATV so far. It'll also act as a waste depot and periodically correct the station's altitude with its thrusters.
It's the second last vehicle in the ATV program, but from an operational and programmatic point of view, it has the same importance like the three previous ones. Its upload of 6.6 tons will contribute to the ESA CSOC obligation compensation, which we owe NASA for them operating our Columbus module on board the ISS.
ATV's rendezvous system makes it the smartest vehicle in space today. Albert Einstein will use GPS and a star tracker to rendezvous with the ISS, under the watchful eye of ESA's ATV control center in Toulouse. Close to the station, its automated docking system will kick in, overseen by ESA astronaut Luca Parmitano, who will be acting as onboard flight engineer.
The astronauts are heavily involved in the system that is monitoring the approach and rendezvous of the ATV for every mission, both docking and undocking, and they have monitors through which they can see the ATV approaching, and we have also special sensors for the crew, and via that they can also independently check the speed and position of the ATV and its attitude with respect to the station.
With docking complete, astronauts will start to unload Albert Einstein's dry cargo, including food, hardware and equipment. Fuel and water will be transferred to the station's tanks and gas is released into its atmosphere. Although essentially the same vehicle, each ATV has been tailored specifically to meet mission requirements. Improvements have also been made along the way.
We have now integrated the spare pump for Columbus, for instance, that is a very heavy piece of hardware. And we have also improved the platform that we used during the late cargo loading, such that we can virtually load from the hatch when we are on top of the Ariane 5 every kind of cargo in every single location of the pressurized module. And that gives us a lot of flexibility vis-à-vis the fact of being able to integrate late cargo that are urgently needed by the station.
It's recently been announced that ESA's ATVs will have a life after the International Space Station. NASA's new manned spacecraft Orion will incorporate their structure, enabling astronauts to live and work way beyond low Earth orbit.